Welcome back to 304 Customs Garage YouTube. Tonight on this episode, we're going to finish this S10 frame, and then we're going to hit it with some 2K chassis black from Eastwood. This is a 2-component paint. It has the activator inside the can and a small bladder you puncture at the bottom here with this red top. Let's get started. Alright, here's the end result of some lightly scuffed also rust encapsulator. We are going to coat this tonight in Eastwood's 2K chassis black, as I mentioned earlier. This is a 2-component paint, as you can see here. 2-component nano ceramic technology, most durable aerosol paint available. Sprays like a paint gun. This does contain something that definitely will give you respiratory problems, so wear your respirator, please. Or I guess if you're outside, maybe not, but I would still probably wear it. So, shake this for a couple minutes, puncture the bladder with that little red top on the bottom, and then we'll start laying this down after I finish scuffing it. I'm not going to put that in the video. You guys probably don't want to see that. I wouldn't want to see that. I would probably skip that part. But if you guys would like, please go down and hit that subscribe button, like button, and if you want, bell for notifications, or if you don't like the video, you could always hit the thumbs down button. I appreciate it. I appreciate all the comments, and I hope this channel continues to grow. We're off to a good start. I didn't think it would actually go anywhere, but I'll keep trying. All right, let's get started and get some paint on this for you guys. All right, after shaking this for like 5 minutes now, we should be ready to spray. Couple more for good measure. With this one, I'll show you guys how this lays down. Not too bad. We'll move you over here so you can get a better look. Now we'll go ahead and finish the rest of it. Stay tuned. back up, and then we'll put a second coat on. Alright, there's your finished results. This is 2 coats of the Eastwood 2K chassis black and gloss. Didn't have enough in the first can to go over it twice, so I didn't end up having to open a second one. I sprayed the remnants on the frame underneath the truck, which you can't see on camera here. But I like it. It really, look how glossy that is. It's a little red stool I have here beside me. It's reflecting off the paint. The light is actually making it look a lot brighter than it is. It's like a very glossy black. But, as I said, if this is durable, it's definitely worth the money to me. So it is 2 components, so it should be. But that's pretty much going to wrap things up. We'll come up and take a look at it tomorrow and see how it looks. If you guys have any questions, please leave it in the comments. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you would, please subscribe to the channel. I mentioned that earlier. I really appreciate it. I'm trying to grow this channel into something. I enjoy making these videos and working on this stuff with you guys. And I hope that others can enjoy it as well, as much as I do. Hit that like button, dislike button. Check out one of these videos here, and I'll leave the subscribe button in the middle. Until next time, YouTube. We'll see you.